in a place as charming as this.
Courtesy of our former castaways,
Dining can be overwhelming.
gusto niyo bang malaman kung anong putahe handa para sa inyo?
Ay!
Local delicacies dito sa Thailand.
Pagkakatong ganun, yung ipis, sumabog. Sumabog yung katas niya sa loob.
Damn, I did this. Wow.
Oh my God.
The castaways who prepare food together, dine together, stay longer. Or so it seems. Survivor Celebrity Showdown. Weeknights on GMA Pinoy TV.